Hello friends, in this video I'm going to work with series. So here we have, and if I click now to the series, yeah, we don't have the index method in the series controller. But first I'm going to fix the cards, the same thing we have done with movies. Okay, so in the VS Code I'm going to open the welcome blade first. And I'm going to do the same thing we have done with movies. So when we have movies, I'm going to copy this grid and I'm going to do the same thing for the episodes as well. So paste it here and in the series as well. Okay, hit save and refresh. And yeah, now we have small cards. Also the new here is going to be the same thing we have in the movies card. So copy the div with new and we need to paste to the series. Remove that div we had and paste that one. Okay, refresh. And yeah. And also one more thing here. I want to display how many seasons the series has. And now we need to go to the welcome controller. And here when we get the series, I'm going to say with count and seasons. Okay, save, close this one. And now inside here, I'm going to copy the div we have the genres in the movies and paste it here. But instead of genres, I'm going to display $series seasons count. Okay, save, refresh, and we don't have the relationship. So open the series model and we need to create function here, name it seasons and say return $this as many season class. Save and go to the browser, refresh. And yeah, now we have the count 000, just one here. And also right here, I'm going to say seasons. Okay. And refresh. And yeah, we have the seasons here, but also I want to add this gradient black though we have in the movie. So where this one, copy, and after the aspect ratio, paste that in, and now refresh. Yeah, now I think we are okay. Okay, now done with cards, and go to the series. We don't have anything. Open the VS Code, and we need to open the series model controller, sorry. And inside here, create a function, name it index, and I'm going to say series is going to be series model with count because I'm going to do the same thing of the seasons and order by created ad. Okay, desk, and I'm going to say paginate 18. Okay, return the view series index. We need to create that and add the all series here. Save. Now go to the views and create new folder series, and inside there new file index.blade.php, and in the welcome controller, when we have this series, I'm going to copy the section here, and first we need to add x prompt layout. Okay, and I'm going to add a div with class max width 6 XL, MX auto, and margin top 4. Okay, and paste that in. Also, we don't need this series anymore because we are in the series URL. Refresh. Front layout. Oh my god. Okay, refresh. Now we are done. We are in the series, and also we need so when we have grid, we need to add a div with class margin 2 and padding 2, and here I'm going to display the links. Okay. Okay, friends, I think we are okay for this video. So when we go to the movies directory, so here we are okay. We got the movies, and yeah, we got the series now. Okay, we have the cast and the genres, and also we have the, when we clicked in the series, I want to display the same thing we have for the movies, and just instead of here we need to display also the seasons. For that in the next video. Hope you enjoy and see you.